Hello, my dear students. In this fully animated lecture, you will learn about very important multiple choice questions of chapter 11, that is organic chemistry. The first question of this video is: the inventor of vital force theory was? Option A is Jacob Berzelius. Option B is Lavoisier. Option C is Wohlar. Option D is John Dalton. The correct option is A. Jacob Berzelius presented a theory known as vital force theory. He stated that organic compounds cannot be synthesized in laboratory because they need vital force, which is found in living organisms. Our second question is: who prepared the first organic compound named as urea? Option A is Arrhenius. Option B is Lavoisier. Option C is Wohlar. Option D is Jacob Berzelius. The correct option is C, that is Wohlar. In 1828, Wohlar synthesized the first organic compound, urea, by heating an inorganic substance ammonium cyanate. Question number 3 is: the branch of chemistry which deals with hydrocarbons and their derivatives is called? Option A is inorganic chemistry. Option B is organic chemistry. Option C is physical chemistry. And option D is biochemistry. The correct option is B, that is organic chemistry. For example, methane, which is found in natural gas, containing only two elements, carbon and hydrogen. Such compounds are known as hydrocarbons and are studied in organic chemistry. Question number 4 is: coal negated vital force theory in? Option A is 1860. Option B is 1830. Option C is 1836. Option D is 1845. The correct option is 1845. In 1845, coal prepared the second organic compound, that is acetic acid, thus negating the vital force theory. Question number 5 is: the formula which represents the actual number of atoms in a molecule is called? Option A is molecular formula. Option B is structural formula. Option C is condensed formula. Option D is dot and cross formula. The correct option is a molecular formula, represents the actual number of atoms in a molecule. For example, the molecular formula of butane is C4H10. This formula shows that there are 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms in butane. Question number 6 is: the ability of carbon atoms to form chains is called? Option A is catenation. Option B is isomerism. Option C is condensation. Option D is resonance. The correct option is catenation. Carbon atoms have a self-linking ability to form long chains and large rings. This property of carbon is known as catenation. Question number 7 is: which one of the following does not contain protein? Option A is pulses. Option B is potatoes. Option C is beans. Option D is eggs. The correct option is B, potatoes. Potatoes mostly contain carbohydrates. That's why it does not contain protein. Question number 8 is: open chain compounds are also called? Option A is acyclic compounds. Option B is aromatic compounds. Option C is alicyclic compounds. Option D is cyclic compounds. The correct option is acyclic compounds. Open chain compounds are those organic compounds that have free carbon ends. Such compounds are also known as acyclic compounds. Question number 9 is: the bond energy of carbon bond is? Option A is 255 kJ per mole. Option B is 355 kJ per mole. Option C is 455 kJ per mole. Option D is 555 kJ per mole. The correct option is B. My dear students, bond energy is a measure of bond strength. So, the carbon-carbon bond is much stronger because of its high bond energy, that is 355 kJ per mole. Question number 10 is: coal having 90% carbon content is called? Option A is peat. Option B is lignite. Option C is anthracite. Option D is bituminous. The correct option is anthracite. These are the types of coal depending on the carbon content. Peat contains 60%, lignite contains 70%, bituminous contains 80% and anthracite contains 90% carbon. Because of its high carbon content, anthracite is known as superior quality coal. Question number 11 is, in a benzene ring, the number of carbon atoms is: option A is 5, option B is 6, option C is 7, option D is 8. The correct option is B. A benzene ring contains 6 carbon atoms. Question number 12 is, main component of natural gases. Option A is methane. Option B is ethane. Option C is propane. Option D is propene. The correct option is A. Natural gas contains about 85% methane. Question number 13 is, carbonization process is the conversion of: option A is coal into coal gas. Option B is coal into wood. Option C is wood into coal. Option D is wood into coal tar. The correct option is C. The conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. Question number 14 is, pitch is black residue of: option A is coke. Option B is coal tar. Option C is wood. Option D is coal gas. The correct option is B. The black residue of coal tar is called pitch, which is used for surfacing the roads. Question number 15 is, the molecular formula of butane is: option A is C4H10. Option B is C4H8. Option C is C4H6. Option D is CH4. The correct option is A. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10. Question number 16 is, organic compounds containing OH group are called: option A is aldehydes. Option B is ketones. Option C is carboxylic acids. Option D is alcohols. The correct option is D. Organic compounds containing OH group are called alcohols. This compound contains the OH group, that's why it is alcohol. Question number 17 is, in which of the following compounds, oxygen is attached on both sides with carbon atoms? Option A is aldehydes. Option B is ketones. Option C is carboxylic acids. Option D is ethers. The correct option is D. Organic compounds containing oxygen on both sides with carbon atoms are called ethers. Question number 18 is, which one of the following is a synthetic fiber? Option A is cotton. Option B is wool. Option C is nylon. Option D is silk. The correct option is C. Nylon is a man-made fiber. All other fibers are natural. Most of the clothes we wear are made up of nylon. Question number 19 is, which compounds are recognized by their fruity smell? Option A is aldehydes. Option B is ketones. Option C is carboxylic acids. Option D is esters. The correct option is D. For example, ethyl butyrate is one of the main esters that give the fruity smell to juicy mangoes. Question number 20 is, organic compounds consisting of this type of functional group are known as: option A is aldehydes. Option B is ketones. Option C is carboxylic acids. Option D is esters. The correct option is D. For example, methyl ethanoate contains ester linkage. Such compounds are known as esters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.